soul. Didn't have to sell my soul. Visionary in this bitch and down.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my.
Got in around 9 o'clock last night. Nothing to really show you guys. This morning we are going out to Dough, gonna get some donuts. I've never tried it before, but I hear it's godly. So we're gonna be shopping downtown, midtown, some part of town. I don't know. I don't know my way around. Damn, people are gonna shit themselves when they see this. It's real life.
I wish I could love you with no fear at all. And I wish.
Lots of walking around through the city today. We stopped in at Zara, went into Madewell, strolling around. It's this weather, man. This weather. I don't know if it's hot or if it's cool.
Time stops, but now we get no younger than this, baby.
We had to relocate because of squirrels.
What are we eating right now?
Apparently that one.
This is so much food. This is like...
I don't know which of the brains.
My mind feels like I ate 4 donuts, but in reality I only ate 2. So I feel extra full. And I feel like I'm gonna die. That's the mean one of the bunch. That guy. Alright, I'm all blurry. Oh, ooh! Jeez! Alright. That's... See that squirrel? These crazy squirrels won't leave us alone.
She said home is where your heart at, and she's pissed I'm hardly home. She said call me when you free, I gotta waiting by the phone. I told her love me when I'm here, but say a prayer for when I'm gone. I'm trying to get it, but she knows, I'm writing records from a lost soul. But she knows, I'm writing records from a lost soul. Broken hearts in the world of sin.
So we just got done playing with puppies. My hand was destroyed by our little dog Pistachio. We named our dog for our 15-minute play. No, we were there like 30 minutes. I don't know. They called it Puppy Love. It's from Zombieland. Anyways, roaming the streets. Oh, my hands hurt. Considering we bought a dog, time to buy stuff for our house.
But she knows, I'm writing records from a lost soul. But she knows, I'm writing records from a lost soul.
Keep on thinking, nigga, I got that. Talking whatever before they shot that. Yeah, I quit my job like a week ago. Yeah, they shot a goat and they kill the goat. Keep on talking, nigga, I got a bravo. That's the Johnny Bravo.
Bloody cold dudes, that's mail order. And I'm putting them in a blender, that's mail slaughter. You heard what I'm saying? I think ain't catch on or I rap on. I let you know how my rap's strong.